Hi, good morning. Another day, another surgery, another day, another watch. Our case for today, we have two cases for today. First is lower blepharoplasty, and the next case is Gore-Tex revision Gore-Tex rhinoplasty. No? Yung ating pong first case is lower blepharoplasty, eye bags. Pero ito po ay medyo special. I can consider it as a revision kasi meron po siyang injection no doon sa may cheek area niya na nag-migrate papunta doon sa taas nung sa may eye bags niya. No, so nagmanifest siya as parang eye bags, no? And magkaroon siya ng parang line doon sa ilalim ng mata because of the silicone injection. No, alam po ninyo, yung silicone injection noon, no, uso po yan. Well, actually hanggang ngayon, meron pa rin nag-i-inject ng silicone. Para sa ating mga pasyente, sa ating mga manonood, kung meron man, no? Sana po wag po tayong magpa-inject ng silicone sa face natin, sa nose natin, sa chin, no? Because medyo devastating ang results niyan after ilang years, no? Actually, meron nga kami, marami akong pasyenteng silicone injected breast, no? So, mahirap pong i-revise pag may silicone injection. If you want to have injection or you want to have volume sa face, pwede po tayong magpa-inject yung mga hyaluronic acid. Hindi po yan permanent, no? So, na-absorb po yan. Yan na lang po ang ating ipa-inject. Huwag po yung silicone oil. No? Yung tinatawag nilang collagen. No? So, never do that. No? So, we still need to educate our patients. No? Para wag nang gawin yung ganoon. Wag na magpa-inject. Mura po yan. Yes, mura po. Pero, in the long run, no, mas mapapamahal po kayo. And kalimitan po, yung result is irreversible. Hindi na po kasi natin matanggal lahat. No? We can only do so much. Yung kaya lang tanggalin, yun lang ang tatanggalin. So, yun po. No? What I'm going to do is, I'm going to do lower blepharoplasty. Tatanggalin po natin yung fats. Tatanggalin po natin yung some of the oil. Then, magka-cantopexy. Iangat ko po ng konti. No? Para mawala yung linya dun sa baba ng mata. No? I-repair po natin pataas na ganon. Parang may facelift effect. So, that would be our first case. Our second case po is a case of a revision rhinoplasty. No? Rhinoplasty na po siya before. We're going to revise it kasi medyo manipis. Surgical nose. No? Yun sinabi ko noon. Surgical nose. Yung unang tingin mo pa lang, alam mo na ginawa. So, ayaw ng patient ng surgical nose. So, we're going to revise it, make it more natural, no? Palitan po natin implant na hindi sharp, no? And gusto po ng patient, yung tip niya kasi manipis, no? So, lalagyan po natin ng bagong cartilage na medyo babagay sa features niya, no? Hindi po sharp. So, those are our cases for today. Another day, another surgery, another day, another watch. This is a GMT Sprite, no? For lefties, yung mga kaliwete. Hindi po lefty, yung mga kaliwa, makakaliwa. Hindi po. Mga kaliwete, para sa mga kaliwete po, ang Sprite. So, see you po at the OR. We're done with the lower blepharoplasty with cantopexy. No? When we open up, medyo may, yan, kita yung mga silicone injection, no? May reaction doon. So, fibrotic, matigas. So, medyo difficult yung dissection. But, nagawa naman po natin. We're able to remove the fats and some of the silicone injection. So, we will see her after a week. No? So, we will show you the results. Another day, another surgery. I'm done with the revision Gore-Tex rhinoplasty. No? So, we changed the implant from a slimmer one to a wider one. No? Mas malapad yung inilagay natin. No? Kasi para mas manly, mas natural looking. No? Hindi siya kitang-kita. Hindi siya surgical nose, as I'm always saying. No? Mas maganda po yung natural looking. So, pinalitan po din natin yung cartilage sa tip with a wider one para mas natural siya. So, here is the result. Maganda po. Yan po yung ating tip. No? Sabi nga nila, tawaging V-tip. No? So, that is the Vasquez tip. Then, the bridge, we changed the implant. So, yan na po. We will see the result. I will show you the result after 7 days. You know, actually, this is the result already. Kita nyo na po. See you. Another day, another surgery.